Okay, and that's the winning count as the UST Battalion sings their school song. Sinong best player natin?
Well, normally we don't get to recognize them as much because hindi sila scoring position eh. But, you know, she's really driven the team and is responsible for the good plays that they have. So we're with Rhea de Mocolangan as Shiki's best player of the game.
That's right. First of all, congratulations to the Lady Tigers. Rhea, ikwento mo naman sa amin, ano ba ang naglalaro sa isipan ng isang Rhea de Mocolangan para makapagbigay siya ng isang magandang set?
Sa tolong wala naman po. Kasi araw-araw kami nagtitraining. So kung ano yung gusto nilang bola, parang tinatry kong ibigay hanggat maaari, kahit misreceive. So yun po.
Alright, so kanina may mga cheer yung Yellow Jackets natin, no? Yung Lady Tiger power. Ano ba ang sikreto ng isang Lady Tiger para mapanatili nila na clean state sila dito sa Season 9?
Siguro yung parang malakas yung loob namin na gawin yung best namin every game na hindi namin isip na UST kami, parang nilalaro kami para sa school. Yun.
Alright, syempre, dahil ikaw ang ating best player, hindi mawawala ang ating Shakey's representative para sa iyong best player prize. May mga gusto ko bang pasalamatan, batiin, at imbitahan mo sila para sa mga susunod yung panglaro?
Belated happy birthday po sa mami ko, tapos happy birthday po, daddy. Tapos papasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa UST. Yan, thank you po.
Alright, maraming salamat din sa iyo, Rian. Congratulations to the entire Lady Tigers. That's it for me. I'll turn you back to 7-Ann.
Thank you very much, Rina. And the quarterfinals should be interesting with the teams we have left on.
That's right. I'm sure it's going to be an exciting, more exciting matches after the quarterfinals.
And thank you for joining us here. The things you watch, the things you